Hello. Very good morning, friends. Thank you for providing me this opportunity of having this gainful interaction with you. To begin with, I'll share my story and try to lend some credibility to what I have to say after that. ऐसे रुखसत हुए हमारे जनाजे से वो ऐसे रुखसत हुए हमारे जनाजे से वो कि फिर मुड़ के नहीं देखा फिर याद नहीं करते नवीन ये इल्म नहीं उनको हम जैसे आशिक मौत से मरा नहीं करते. So when I was a small kid, I was short in height. I was not very good at running. I could not catch a ball. I could not throw a ball. I could not hit a ball. And children used to fight with each other that we do not want Naveen in our team. I was a shabby looking child. Friends used to make fun of me for my looks or for the quality of my clothes or for the fact that I was weak. I was not as good as them. I was not intelligent. I could not understand maths as well as others. I am not trying to play a victim card here. We all have to face rejection in our life. If you have not faced any rejection till now, bad luck. Because you will not be prepared the day rejection will come to you. I have grown up with rejection. I can deal with it. Now, as a child, I did not know that. But somehow, fortunately, I had a very high self-esteem. There is a difference between self-esteem and pride. A person who is proudy, will look down upon you. He will consider others as inferior to him. A person who has self-esteem will never consider himself less than anybody else. I was not willing to accept that I am weaker, that I am not good. I was not willing to accept that. If I used to listen to stories of great people in history, great philosophers, great scientists, achievers, I always used to say I can do that. मैं कबीर बुद्ध और नानक की कहानी सुन के भी ये सोचता था कि मैं भी कबीर बुद्ध और नानक बन सकता हूँ. और मेरे क्लासमेट्स मेरी तरफ देखते थे, पागल हो गया ये, क्या बात कर रहा है. द पॉइंट इज कि अगर आप सोच सकते हो, इफ यू कैन थिंक ऑफ दैट, एटलीस्ट यू विल अचीव समथिंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन. What will I achieve by competing with you for 2 marks or for a little advantage? What will be the achievement in that? So I always used to think that it is possible. And that is the reason that I did not give up. I moved ahead. This whole universe has been created so that you could come into existence. People are trying to be different. You are born unique. Unique is better than different. In trying to be different, you are becoming the same. There has been nobody born Naveen Gulia before me, and there will be no other Naveen Gulia in future. I am unique. You are unique. Understand the value of that. So I struggled, I worked hard, and after many years of efforts, I was playing nearly all sports at different levels. I was taking part in co-curricular activities. I was amongst the top 2-3 students in the class. And children used to fight with each other. that if you want Naveen Gulia in your team, then we want 2 players in exchange. It takes time, it takes efforts, it takes consistency, but nothing like absolute consistency. You can go little left or right, general consistency should be there. I joined National Defence Academy at the age of 18, wanting to join the Special Forces, which was called Para Commandos back then. 4 years of training, that was my aim. I had done my para jumping course also, I had opted for it also, everything was ready for me to do that. But in army, you are trained that you do not get battles of your choice. दुश्मन अपनी मर्जी का नहीं मिलता, लड़ाई अपनी मर्जी की नहीं मिलती. Whatever battle you get, you have to fight that. I met with this accident and doctors were not very hopeful that I will survive. I spent 2 years in the hospital and doctors said that maybe one day he will be able to move his wheelchair himself. I did my master's degree in computers. I took part in adventure sports, scuba diving, para jumping, powered hang gliding, micro light flying, rock climbing, all-terrain driving, and I made a world record in all-terrain driving. I am a published author in 3 languages. I got into social service, which was the aim of my life, to work for the welfare of the society. About 20 years back, I have been working in that field. Everything that I wanted to achieve in my life, I had achieved by the age of 38. My autobiography came out at the age of 38, whereas usually people write autobiographies at the age of 68 or 78. I used to play football. मैच को कभी सेकेंड हाफ में नहीं जीता जाता, उसको फर्स्ट हाफ में जीता जाता है. I don't like nail biting thrillers. 2 रन से जीत गए. I don't want that in my life. Life is too precious. So why I was able to do all that is because of a single small lesson. If you think you can achieve something, if you think you can, there are some chances you will fail. But if you don't even think you can, there are no chances of success. The journey to success begins with the belief that you can. Shivaji was 4 feet 11 inches in height. You can Google it. Dr. APJ Kalam, he did not have the physical attributes of a Hollywood star, but he was more popular than that. It is your self-esteem that makes you what you are, not your God-gifted looks or where you were born or whatever it is, the other attributes for which you had no contribution. So that high self-esteem, that is what matters. Your classmates, your colleagues will play politics with you. They are not bad people, they are good people. Politics is natural to humans. Wherever you go, it will be there. Manipulation is natural to human people. Manipulation comes from man. And man is so manipulative that he has convinced the girls that they are manipulative. Imagine the level of manipulation. They can make millions die. They can cause wars to happen just by manipulation. Why do Americans hate the Russians? क्या बिगाड़ा है उनका? Manipulation. So that is natural to human society. You don't have to hate that. It is the basic tool of humans. But the thing is, if you compete with those who are making fun of you, if those are the people who are in your mind, then trust me, your caliber would not be higher than them. When you are watching those reels on social media and making fun of that, क्या बेवकूफ़ी है, क्या बना रखा है? Friend, you are also that, and they are slightly better than you, because they are actually gaining from it. You are not, you are just looking at it. Your caliber is decided by the type of people you keep in your mind. अगर किसी टटपुंजी के बारे में सोचोगे तो वही स्टैंडर्ड रहेगा तुम्हारा भी. What are the people you keep in your mind? Whom are you talking to in your mind? Who are the people you are interacting with? Who are the people you are observing, watching, reading about? बनना क्या है तुम्हें? So very simple lesson. Your caliber depends on the people, the company you keep in your mind, and your caliber will decide what you will achieve in your life. That is one simple plain lesson that I wanted to share with you. That's about it. Thank you.